I'm Giorgio B. Giogero. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director of Indel Webasto Marine. We are here presenting at the METS 2015 today within the new product development, which represents the concept of customization of the future. We are capable to now compose fridges from 150 liters to 320 liters into a new fridge combination. We can basically have 2 or 3 products which are standalone units with their own compressor installed that can be piled up and composed according to a customization feature. The fridge solution will be made by the product itself and an exclusive installation frame kit, which is integrating the fridge in a super nice manner, as well as securing the installation within the air grills already included in the design. In spite of customization concept, you can see a very nice application made by a cruise 130 liter stainless steel drink version, together with a drawer concept that can be 130 liter fridge or 90 liter freezer, enjoying the modularity of a freezer compartment and 2 main drawers.